The Siddhi Sayyed Mosque is perhaps the best known monument in Ahmedabad. It is famous for its perforated windows and stone screen work. Sri Mangesh Temple is the one of the largest, wealthiest and most frequently visited temples in Goa. It is influenced by the Portuguese architecture. Oldest European church of India is the Church of Saint Francis at Cochin in Kerala. It was the Portuguese who built it in 1510. Vasco da Gama, the great Portuguese explorer, was buried here. St. Paul's Cathedral in Kolkata was built in 1847. It stands just east of Victoria Memorial. The City of Ruins, Hampi, is a World Heritage Center. It was erstwhile capital of the Vijayanagar Empire. The most splendid monument of Hampi is undoubtedly the famous stone chariot. The Sun Temple at Martand in the state of Jammu and Kashmir is one of the few ancient Buddhist and Hindu architectural heritage. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan, the fifth emperor of the Mughal dynasty. He built Taj Mahal in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. Nalanda is the site of Great Nalanda University, founded in the 5th century AD. The site contains the remains of 11 monasteries and several temples. The earliest temple at Vishnupur is Ras Manch. It was built during the reign of Veer Hambir. The Shore Temple is India's oldest freestanding temple. It was built in early 8th century. It is one of the finest examples of Pallava's architecture. The seat of the West Bengal government, the Writers' Building, was first started in 1690. Since junior writers or clerks of the East India Company used to stay in mud hovels, so it came to be known as the Writers' Building. The best example of Indian rock cut architecture can be seen in Maharashtra at Elephanta. The central image on the south side is the most celebrated sculpture of Elephanta, a huge 5.54 meters triple-headed Trimurti bust of Shiva. The fort was built by Tughlaq ruler Ghiyasuddin. He overthrew Alauddin's son and captured the throne of Delhi. Tungnath Temple at Uttarakhand, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is magnified by spectacular scenic beauty of Nanda Devi, Nilkant and Kedarnath mountains. Udaipur, the royal house of Mewar. One can see the Pichola lake from Udaipur city palace. The Vitthal temple of Bhubaneswar was built in 8th century AD. The temple is dedicated to the Tantric goddesses. Victoria Memorial was built in 1906. The planning and construction was done by Lord Curzon, who wanted to construct an outstanding monument to commemorate British rule in India. The first train in India was flagged off from this terminus for Thane in April 1853. The building was designed by architect Frederick William Stevens in 1878. It also has a 4-meter high Statue of Progress. The village of Begumpur in Delhi is very near to Alauddin Khilji citadel called Siri. The mosque of Begumpur have been built by Khan-e-Jahan Telangani, the minister of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Virupaksha is another name of Lord Shiva. The temple is situated along the south bank of the Tungabhadra river near Hampi in Karnataka. Swami Vivekananda, who came here as a simple monk and devotee of the Devi, swam out and sat in a long and deep meditation on one of the rocks in 1892. The rock was named as Vivekananda Rock.